Audio Jungle.
Pathology is the science by which we can detect the diseases in the human body by testing the blood, urine or stool samples. By doing so, we can not only detect the diseases but also find the medicines which may cure it. Many chemicals are used as anticoagulant agents and for precipitation. This shows that chemical engineering has applications in not only the chemical industries but in the pathology also. Pathology nowadays uses modern machinery for carrying out these processes, but the uses of chemicals still is a compulsion. My visit to a pathology lab gave me pleasure as a chemical engineering student to see so many chemicals being used here. The basic physical chemistry processes such as precipitation and use of centrifuge can also be seen. Titrations are also performed here. Many chemicals such as EDTA, citrate, urea, acetone, sulfuric acid, methylene, safranine, carbolin fuscin, HCl and many more are used in the processes. They are used as decolorizing agent, anticoagulant and for precipitation. In this way, many chemicals are used in the pathology lab. The complete blood count is found using the CBC machine. In this process too, some chemicals are used. First, a phlebotomist collects sample into a test tube containing an anticoagulant such as EDTA or citrate to stop it from clotting, and then it is taken to the CBC machine where finally the blood count in the form of WBC, RBC, hemoglobin and many more subparts is calculated. Next is the Zeal-Nielsen stain test, which is also known as the acid-fast test. This test is used to detect the microbacteria tuberculosis which causes TB. The chemicals used in the Zeal-Nielsen stain test are carbofuscin, hydrochloric acid, isopropyl alcohol and methynyl blue. In this test, cells are taken on suspension on a slide and then heated. It is then flooded with carbofuscin, heated and rinsed. Again it is flooded by carbofuscin, hypochloric acid and isopropyl alcohol. Cells are stained in methylene blue and viewed on a microscope after oil immersion. Thus, tuberculosis can be identified and cured at an early stage. Next is the gram stain test, which is also used to detect various bacteria cultures. Gram stain test is always almost the first step in the identification of bacteria. It too uses chemicals such as acetone as decolorizing agent and safranine. This test too identifies many bacterial activities in the blood. So, many chemicals are used in pathology due to their various properties and uses. So, the next time you visit a pathology lab, say thanks to the chemicals.